This conference will now be recorded.
Hello UiPath experts, welcome to the UiPath.learner channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notifications, new videos. Okay, you have interesting videos here, so you can go to the each and every video and see. So today use case is I will tell you. So there is an email. So we will get the some emails to this. So I'm sending to the same email. The subject line is like a company name, any company name like a something like a ABC is a company name, hyphen separator. After that, the next one is time. Time is a 2019 hyphen 2019 and the date scheduled time basically. So when it is been repaired. So basically, so imagine you have a so many distributors or yeah, so many each city you have a big company. For example, let me explain broadly. So you have a one small company like a SS or SSK company. So the purpose of this company is dealing with you have all the city wise all the cities. So suppose Bangalore, you have a one dealer, okay, expert, okay, expert specialist to repair the things actually, okay, to repair the things or something, or to deal with the customer. Okay, just imagine this is a repair only. Okay, so for example, you have a AC air conditioner service company. So we'll provide all type of air conditioners like a LG and any so different type of AC companies. You have AC companies, AC. So air conditioners, if such air conditioners, you have a Voltos, see, Voltos, and you have a uh, LLOYD air conditioner, and what's the Godrej. Okay, so basically, just imagine you are supplying the air conditioners. So Blue Star, Panasonic. Okay, so these are all the air conditioner companies. So you are supplying the air conditioners. So to uh, all over the India. Just imagine all over the India in all big cities. So while you are supplying you're supplying the air conditioners on all companies. You're the mediator, some supplier basically. Okay, not related to this any company, and so basically you are putting the one expert for each city. Okay, Bangalore one expert. Mm, Basically experts, okay, not experts. You have experts, so 10 or 15 experts to repair or install, okay, or anything, okay, install or repair or okay, anything. So you have a AC experts in each city. Okay, you have 15 in the Bangalore 15 experts, and uh, suppose Chennai, 12 experts like that. So each city in the India, you have a so expert specialists, AC repair specialists are there each city. So okay, so understand, right? So you have some small AC service company all over the India. You have experts in each city. So customers, so if they have anything that repair anything, so what they will do, they will basically send a mail, like this. Okay, so appointment date and company name. Suppose Godrej company, the company name hyphen, and appointment date 2019 uh, April. Suppose I want to schedule the call on 20th. Okay, tomorrow. Today is the 19th, 20th. Okay, and the company name and this and which city. Okay, city is Chennai. So I'm living in the Chennai. Okay. So the customers has to send to this email ID this type of subject. Okay, what is that? Company name, what company that AC is they purchased, and what date they are scheduling to. I mean, I mean scheduled to repair basically, and the city. Okay, so what the robot has to do? Robot has to go to the Chennai experts list. Okay, Chennai experts list. So I have an experts list prepared in the experts list. In see here, there is a repair folder is there in my desktop. So here is a I have a you just imagine so many all the cities has an expert list. Now I taken the three experts lists: Bangalore workers contacts and Chennai workers contacts, Hyderabad workers contacts. So if I open the Hyderabad workers contacts, so here so you have not assigned anything. So you have experts. How many experts? Nine experts are there. Nine people are there. Nine people's phone numbers are there. Okay. So what robot has to do? Robot has to first we will write down the steps. Okay. First thing is read mails. Subject contains what is that first name? First thing is a company name. That means which company your AC is. The customer purchased AC is. Company name, company, and date, schedule date, and what is that? City. Okay, city. So this is the subject we have to read, and the second step is so pick the corresponding city file, workers file. Okay, the experts file it has to pick from this folder. Okay, this folder. That is the steps. The third one, it has to assign job for that for the for available available experts. Currently we have all are available means if the assigned on and assigned company is empty, so that those things are available, so these people are available now. Okay, so if you have a something like a some text like a something date and company name is assigned, so these are all available, this is not available, this is assigned already. Okay, so now okay, that is a scenario. Now what we will do? So we will robot has to copy the company name and assign the company name here because it has to pick the latest assigned. Okay, so currently nothing is assigned, so the first one is assigned. That means available, latest available, not assigned. Sorry, latest available, and the date which the customer is scheduled. Okay, and it has to copy this one. Okay, like this and send the details, send the company details, or yeah, it has to send the company the details of the dealer and full information to the again one more mail it has to send to the particular person. This is assigned, so your request is assigned to this particular person. The phone number of this person is this one, phone number of expert is this one. So let's do it. That is so if any new mail comes it has to pick fill this one because the third one was Jitesh is available. Okay, now the Manoj is available. Okay, like that. I'm just removing this one and save. So Hyderabad has a 9 experts. So if you see the other repair list, Chennai has how many experts? Chennai has almost yeah, 16 experts. If you remove the header, 16 experts. Srinivasan, Ganeshan, like that. Okay. And Bangalore has how many experts? 12 experts. Okay. So let's do it. So first, I'm taking the sequence, and first thing what we have to do, so we have to read the mails. So I'm taking the mail, IMAP mail, get IMAP mail messages, as it is a Gmail. I'm giving the server name is equal to imap.gmail.com. That is the server name. And if you and the port number is a 993. That is the server port number for the Gmail. You can search in the internet. Okay. And before that, so for the password, I stored the password into the one file. So to for secure, yeah, secure. So this is a O password is my password stored in this text file. Okay, so you can use the assets, get assets like that. Okay, read text. So I'm using the read text file to get the my password. Okay, password. So this is a my password. So this text is a text file. So there's a string variable. I'm giving the password here, my password. Okay, and the username, email ID. I'm using sun.satvik@gmail.com. That is my sun.satvik. Okay, and so the thing is, once the it is filled, so it will give the output as a mail messages. So list of mail messages. Just create a one variable called all mails. Okay. All mails. So apart from this, that is the thing. So it will give the all the mails. So we have to loop each and every mail. So for each, so you just use the for each activity to loop each and every mail. So you are giving the all mails as a way the list, and this is a mail, current mail. Okay, now we just check here. This is a, just mouse over on this one, mouse over on this all mail messages data type. So you can see the list of system.net.mail.mail messages. Okay, so this type argument of the for each loop also should be system.mail.mail message, system.net.mail messages. Okay, mail messages. If you type the mail messages, you can find the mail message to mail messages, but there it is a system.net.mail message, not system.web.mail message. So take this one, and it will loop each and every mail. Okay, now what we have to check, we have to check whether the mail has a underscore or not. Okay, how many underscores we need? We need the two. That means if you split by using the underscore, the items should be a 3 count. Okay. If condition, this condition, and mail dot subject dot. So anyway, we need the subject, right? We need the subject. Mail dot subject dot split of, you have to split like this hyphen, but that is a character, that's why I'm giving the C is a character mention, string split option dot remove empty entries. So it will give the list of words actually. So now dot count equal to 3, then it will display the subject. Okay, mail dot subject, just to test whether it is a reading or not. So we'll test uh, request. Okay, so first one is company name Godrej, and second one is the date of schedule, and third one is the uh, location. Yeah, I sent, and just check, run the bot and check whether it is displaying the subject that into the output panel or not. For the output panel, it is displaying, right? If you send any other mails, so suppose some Satvik and testing, if I send this one, so now we have two mails. So if you just filter, run it, so out of these two mails, it will search for the subject contains the two hyphens. Basically, if the subject contains the two hyphens, it will display. Okay, it's not displayed the testing. Okay, testing, because the testing does not have a two hyphens. Okay, now we are in the this part, the everything we have to give do it in the then part. So what we have to do, so first part is a, we have to split all the values. Okay, so for that I'm creating the variables like a company, that is a string variable, and scheduled date, that is also string variable. And what is the next one is a city. Okay, city name. So these three we have to fill. So for that, one, okay, word list. So I'm preparing the word list. One is the array of strings to store each and every value into this array word list. Okay, so now just remove this one. So give the assign operator. Word list is a list of variables, and use the same thing here. Here what we did, same thing before count. The same thing, copy and paste here, so that it will come as a all the list. So word list of 0 has a company name, word list of 1 has a date, word list of 2 has a the city name. Okay, so now assign all the values to just okay, company name. First one is the company name, that is a word list of 0. Okay, and assign the one more, three more, two more. What is that? Scheduled date is word list of 1. Again, what is the next one? Next one is the city name. Okay, word list of 2. Okay, now we have all the values. Now what is the next step? So next step is a read mail subject. This is completed, and pick the corresponding city file. Okay, so corresponding city file. So what we will do, so we will loop each and every file from that for each. So you can use the for each. You have different methods actually. Okay, so loop for each file in prepare folder. That is a string variable, and this is a file dot dictionary directory dot get files, directory dot get files of the path of the repair folder. Okay, this is a path of the repair folder. You can copy, you can use the variable for this if required, or you can store this into the config file or asset also. You know, star dot xlsx. We need only xlsx files, not other than other files. Now again, if condition, to just pick the file name. So to retrieve the file name, so this will give the full path of the file names. Full path means this will give the full path of the file name. So but we need the only file name. So to get the only file name, path dot get file name of file. This is the file name will come. File name dot dot starts with. Okay, we will do one thing. We will just trim and two lower. Okay, we'll put the two lower and starts with. And what is the value now? So the city name is there, right? City name is there. City name dot trim dot two lower. So if these both are matching, okay, both are matching means, so now it will loop each and everything, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, like that. Okay, so once this is a match, once this is matched, this Chennai is matched, then it will go to the then part. So we are picking the corresponding city name file. So assign the job. So to assign the job, here is a small tricky part. So how can we know which is available? So this is from the last only, so you can find. So first we will take the entire data. Okay, first here is a read range all, and the second be read range of C 1 to C1 to C total rows. Okay. C1 to C total rows means, so this will give the total rows, the count. This data table count. Sorry, it's not C, so D. Okay. So that, so we will first we will read entire selected one into one table, and second we are reading this selected one. Okay. the selected one. So within this, so what we have to do, we have to remove empty values from the this table. Okay, so then you will get the new dt, that is the new dt, that is the now you can specify the c new dt dot rows dot count plus one. So suppose new dt has nothing, right? New dt count is a 0, so 0 you can plus 2, not 1, plus 2, it will give the c2, d2, c3, d3, like that. Okay, you will get the values, then you can assign the values. Okay, now just go to the UiPath studio and use the excel application scope. And so what is the file is the excel is a file. So because it is in the for each loop, and once we read activity, that is a sheet 1 only. So first we will take the main full sheet underscore dt, full sheet underscore dt, that's full sheet underscore dt. Next again read range, here we are mentioning c colon d c1 c1 to d full sheet dot rows dot count. Okay, so let me explain neatly. Okay, so c1 to c1 is this one, c1 to this one. Okay, d10, so we don't know d10. Okay, so sometimes it is a d15 also, so we don't know. So there it is there in the full sheet number, plus 1 or two string. So plus 1. Why plus 1 means? So if you give the data table row count, so it will give the 9 only, because we have only 9. Okay, 9 records only. Okay, so we need to plus 1 because this is a C10. If you just put the C9, so it is not proper, right? C10, like that you can expand. Now you have a separate data table. So create a one more data table called assign underscore dt, assign underscore dt. Now this assign underscore dt has a empty columns, right? Empty columns. So you just filter that empty rows, remove empty rows. Input is assign dt and assign control k empty empty underscore dt without this is a third data table. So what we have to remove all the things. So what we have to remove, so if the assign name assign on here in the double quotes is empty, just remove. And so assigned company, copy, double quotes, paste, is also empty. Okay, so these both are empty, just remove the items from this table. And okay, so create a assign without empty underscore dt table. So now we have a assign underscore without empty underscore dt table. We have now what we have to do, so we have to uh, write cell. So we have to write cell, and what is the value? C colon C C plus here assign without empty dot rows dot count plus 2. Okay, dot to string. So if it is a 0, it has to go to the 2, right? If now it is the count is a 0, right? 0, no records are there. If you use just plus 1, it will type here. You have to go to the plus 2. So if it's a 1, it has to go to the plus 2. That means 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, like that. Okay, now this will display what we have to display. So we have to display the date. Okay, schedule date. Now, so do the same thing for the company name also. Do the same thing. I'm just copying the same thing here, but instead of C I am using the D. Okay, what is that? Company name. Company name. So that is the company name will sit here, and send time date is sit here. And what you require? You require the, you need the uh, some two values, right? These two values you need from the x, the assign, to whom assign. Okay, so to read that, you have a read cell. Okay, read cell, just read cell, just drag the read cell, and you need to copy the same thing, and but here it is A2. So A2 or A3, the assigned row, you will give, it will give the uh, expert or worker name. Okay, worker name. And the same thing I'm just copying and pasting here. Instead of A, I'm putting the B, so that I will get the worker contact number, because in the B only we get the contact number, right? Okay, remove this, Control K, worker phone number. Okay, so now we can, okay, we just display, so display the basically you can send mail. So okay, send mail, mail message, mail, you have mail, get mails or Outlook mails, and POP3 get mails, SMTP. Yeah, up to now we will display, right? Line, we will display the text basically. Okay, we will display the text, and what is the text is worker name plus worker phone number plus company name. Everything we are displaying. Okay, company name plus schedule date plus, and what is that? City name, city name, city name. Okay, so this will display the all the details. Now I'm just sending the mail, so it's already mail is there. Okay, mail is there, just remove everything. So now if we go to the mail, is having the Chennai city. Just check the Chennai city, anyone is allocated or available. So Chennai city has all are available now. So just run the bot. Now it will check the mails, and with the subjected particular underscore hyphen. So it's open. The sheet does not exist. Okay, so we're getting the one error called sheet does not exist. Just go to the repair and check the sheet name. Okay, sheet name. Okay, sheet name is not. Yeah, sheet name is. This is a different sheet name is there. That's why just change the sheet one. Okay, common for all. Common for all. Hyderabad, open sheet one. Let's remove sheet one. Or if you have a specific sheet name, you can just specify the sheet name also. Sheet one. Okay. Now just run. Okay. So now just check, as it is a Chennai. So just check the Chennai. See the time 29:22. So that is a Chennai mail, it is assigned. So suppose for example, the same thing, uh, I'm using the same subject and preparing another Sun Satvik and same subject instead of this one Blue Star. Blue Star is a company name. Another okay, same date and just put the Chennai only. Okay. So we'll see what will happen. So now just running. So in the Chennai experts list, now it is already allocated one person. So it has to allocate the next person. See, it is allocating to the, it is finding the available person and allocating. So Chennai person, it is allocated for the next person. And if you observe the that mean output, so the Nalini phone number blue star. So Nalini is assigned for the particular. So just check the phone number and Nalini. So this is a Nalini and ends with the phone number is a 5687. 5687. Just check 5687, right? So just check one more time and I'm just copying the same thing and again one more. Just imagine one more customer is for the Panasonic is the company name he purchased and this is a 20 is a 25 and this is a Bangalore. Okay, I'm sending that. So up to now there is no Bangalore records. So Bangalore all are available. All almost all experts are available. Now it will just open. So Bangalore, see Bangalore Excel only it's open. So dynamically it will pick the Excel and it will just check for the available persons and assign the values and take these two values assigned persons and display into the output panel. Okay. If you want, you can send mail also. Okay, send mail also. Okay, send SMTP mail. So if you just send SMTP mail, just drag and drop and okay, so what I am doing, so here, so in the same server name is the user sun dot Satvik. Sorry, SMTP address is a different. So SMTP is a this is the SMTP, smtp dot gmail dot com. And SMTP, you just check the SMTP things. SMTP settings. If you just check the Gmail SMTP settings, you can find the so the port number is this one. Just use this port number. Okay, the port number is this one, and you can body having this whole thing. Okay, body having this whole thing assigned. Okay, body. I'm assigning this one. Subject has a assigned expert and two address is a sun dot Satvik or the same mail. Okay, already mail is there. Mail dot from dot address. Okay, you will get the same address you can send. Okay, so login mail. So login mail sun dot Satvik. I'm using the same mail ID. You can use a different mail ID also. My password. So that is already I stored into the. Okay, so sender email from Sudheer and okay, it will send. Now just check. Now I am just preparing the one more mail to just test Sun Southwick and mail is Voltas is the name of the company. Voltas is the name of the company Voltas is the name of the company, and this is April 29th. Okay, April 29th, and this is Hyderabad. Hyderabad. Okay, that is the name should be match. Yeah, I'm sending. Now you just run the bot. No, before that you just check Hyderabad does not have a all are available, right? So up to now we don't assign anything. So run the bot. This is a small use case, right? So robot will run continuously, so with some particular intervals, and it will keep on monitoring. So something problem with the mail, so specific string is not in the form of required email address. So which one? So this might be. So smtp.gmail.com, and sunsatvik@gmail.com, my password. And okay, so maybe this one from. Okay, now just check. Nothing, because we didn't get any mails, so I'm just making this as a unread. Make as unread. Okay, so just test again. Test again. So it will pick the same again. It will store to the uh, same Excel. Excel, you just observe the Excel header. This is a Hyderabad Excel, and it is assigned to the Gitesh. Okay, so it's completed properly, and just check assigned experts. Okay, so we got the mail just now, assigned expert. So that is a Jitesh and phone number, so that the customer knows. Customer will just if they required, they can call, and okay, they know the name and customer the expert name or the worker name. Okay, so just it's like a, you can schedule this bot. You can schedule this bot. I'm just putting the delay of just 0.0061 minute. Okay, so 1 minute, 1 minute delay, and run. So what is the problem? 59. Okay, 59, 1 minute, and run. So within 1 minute, I am just going to prepare that LG hyphen 2019 April uh, 30 hyphen, and what is the name? Welcome to Bangalore. Okay, so I'm just sending. So we'll just see. So here we will just observe this bot, whether how the bot will execute. Okay, so all over the India, any city, the people who purchased the AC from this company, the service company, so they will send mails with the subject line this one. Okay, so if the subject line, the robot is keep on executing every 1 hour, or you can schedule of an hour, and what happened? 39 seconds. Yeah, it's open, right? It's open the Excel. Just see in the below. So it's open the Excel, and you can observe here assign. So this is a read automatically and assign the Suresh. Okay, for the LG. Understand? So thanks for watching. So we will go see nothing. So we just read the all the mails, and loop each and every mail just to explain. Short explain, and we will just pick the subject line equal to two hyphens, and after that we are splitting and assigning to the each and every company name, schedule, date, and city name, and loop each and every item Excel files from this folder, and check the folder name, file name, it starts with the city name. So if the file name, it starts with the city name, and read the Excel, So we're reading the Excel, entire Excel, and read the particular Excel. So to get the assigned or not. So we're just checking the empty, removing the empty fields, empty rows from that second DT and putting the third DT. So this third DT having the proper numbers. So we're assigning by using the right cell, assigning the schedule date and company name, and this is a C and D, and we're reading the data from the A and B. So and write the cells and reply to the particular person. This is a assigned for this your request. Okay, thanks for watching. So please subscribe my channel. So and also just share these videos to all your friends and well-known people. So that people who don't know, so they can understand. Okay, they can know how to do the projects and also. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day.